This Shorts channel has made around $6,000 a month, while the other one has made around $4,500 per month. Getting rich with these two Shorts channels without any investment seems like an unreal thing. But what if I told you that you can do the same without any investments or any hard work and generate passive income? Well, that's what we're going to be talking about in video. Make sure to stick around till the end. Now, many people want to start YouTube Shorts channels but don't want to do extra efforts or show their face. Therefore, they pay hundreds of dollars to people on certain platforms to run their channels or automate their channels. But this can be done for free as well. Let me take you through every single step. To kick things off, you'll need a few essentials for your channel: a niche, a catchy name, a description, a profile picture, and a banner. As for my chosen niche, I opted for podcast shorts, given their high viewership potential. To get some cool channel name ideas, I turned to ChatGPT and it gave me a list, with the first one, Quickcast Bites, catching my eye. Now, onto the description. I got ChatGPT to lend a hand with that too. Shifting gears to the channel's profile picture, I brought in a tool called Leonardo AI armed with 150 free tokens. I had to be savvy here, considering each try cost me 5 tokens and I didn't want to spend too much. I clearly described what I had in mind: a person gripping a pod mic and gazing into the camera lens. As a result, I received 4 images. The very first one stood out, so I held onto it. With my chosen profile picture in hand, I headed over to Canva, where I seamlessly placed it into a template. And of course, a snazzy banner for the channel was next on the checklist. This combination gave my channel an impressive and polished appearance, fully ready to hit the ground running. Now let's dive into the heart of the matter: creating those awesome YouTube shorts. To get started, simply hop over to YouTube and search for motivational podcasts. You'll find a treasure trove of videos to choose from. For my experiment, I went ahead and picked the very first video, featuring Joe Rogan. Once you've got the video in your sights, open it up and copy its link. Now, when it comes to making your shorts, you've got a couple of options on the table: Opus Pro and Video AI. Why the two choices, you ask? Well, Opus Pro might not be accessible in certain countries, and it doesn't play well with VPNs. On the flip side, Video AI is VPN friendly, making it the star of the show for this task. Ready to roll? Here's the game plan. Start off by creating an account using a temporary email. With that in place, hit up the Paste URL option and simply drop in the link of the YouTube video you previously snagged. In the YouTube handles section, type in your channel's name, and for the rest, leave them be. Now, hang tight for a bit and let the magic happen as the tool processes the video. Once the dust settles, you'll be presented with a handful of YouTube shorts, all spruced up and ready to go. In my case, a batch of 5 shorts was whipped up. Here's where it gets fun. Scroll through the bunch and pick the one that tickles your fancy the most. Once you've got the winner, hit that edit and download button. A whole array of templates will greet you. It's like choosing the perfect outfit for your shorts. Handpick the template that meshes seamlessly with your content, and with a satisfying click, download the finished video. Voila! You've just witnessed the magic unfold. Video AI has handled the nitty-gritty details, from transitions to text, creating a set of engaging shorts. And the best part? There's no need to sweat the small stuff. This website even suggests titles for your shorts, taking the guesswork out of the equation. To top it all off, when it comes to hashtags, ChatGPT has got your back. Simply ask for some suggestions. And as for tags, Rapid Tags is your speedy solution. Just type in your topic and you'll have your tags sorted in a snap. All the fades, text syncing, and clips addition has been done automatically, and the shorts turned out to be very decent. This website will also provide you with the titles. Head over to ChatGPT and ask for the hashtags for your description, and for the tags, go on to Rapid Tags and just type in your topic. Within a matter of seconds, you will get the tags to be used. Congratulations! You are now completely capable of making high-quality, attractive YouTube shorts and start your journey towards generating a passive income. So there you have it. You're now armed with the know-how to whip up attention-grabbing YouTube shorts. Ready to dive in and set your channel on a path to success? Let's do this! Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, subscribe to our channel for more amazing content on how to generate passive income without any hard working or investment.